Sitting here at my witchy bookcase, organizing, reorganizing, getting everything together. Thank you, Ryan. I'm going to rearrange my ancestor altar and my Elewa altar. But in the meantime, I'm cleaning this mess so I can get ready for my supplies to go in here and over there. So I need to rearrange those books, put those books there. Put those books, all those books over there, over here. And get myself cleaned up and ready to make oils and salves and tinctures for my customers and help everybody be happy. You know, it's so funny, my sister, Ajay, she makes, when she sends me packages, she sends them in beautiful accessory boxes. So I instantly know what's inside those. You know, that one is going to go for my salves and oils. All my candles. Thank you, Ryan. I need more. And this, I don't know yet. This will probably hold all of my other bottled oils. I like making oils, so I'm making tons and tons of oils this week. Let them cure. They're going to stay there in that little box. And I pretty much know what's in all my other boxes. So, organizing, getting everything all settled and snug in place. So when I finish the website and start my business with my sister, I will be ready to go and everything will be in order. Thank you, Yumi. See, they're out there. I use them. I use all my stuff people give me, including my beautiful bracelet that my sister made me. Isn't that nice? Yes, that's a dime. Ooh, this camera's actually pretty good. Wow, okay. That is for reasons. Anywho. Oh, my earrings. She makes these beautiful earrings with herbs and whatnot on the inside. Secrets, as some would say. And my skull earrings, little tiny baby bottles. You see it's next to my finger, so you see it's not very big. So I'm going to @ her on this video. So if you want some, tell her, I want some earrings too. Or she can make it into a pendant, but these are earrings. Okay? Well, there you go. So I did my video so that I can be accountable to myself. Get this mess finally cleaned up and arranged in exactly how I want it. How I need it to be. So when customers come to the house or when you order something here, I can go straight to it and say, okay, this is it. Let me put it in some bubble wrap and send it off to you. So, love and blessings to you. I hope everyone's having a beautiful day.